Hi, and welcome to Map for Engineers podcast. I'm Vitaly Lakusta, and this is the welcome episode where I would simply like to share with you why I'm creating this podcast and what will be the topics you can expect. This podcast is mainly for software engineers. Maybe it would be interesting also for other people who work with software engineers. It's definitely the podcast for engineering leads. Also other managers and executives that work in IT and interact with engineers. It could also be helpful for product managers. I will touch on topics, for example, how engineers can collaborate with product managers effectively and vice versa. And I would be very excited to talk about fundamental topics. Things like how to build testable, robust, safe software, how to build great teams, how to be a good team player. I will touch on the topics of hiring engineers and from both sides, my advice on how to hire great engineers, and also on the other side, what to do when you search for the job. Because I've been doing a lot of hirings myself, starting from TransferWise, but also now in Pactum. I've established the tech hiring pipeline, so I have a lot to share there. But also, why I'm creating the podcast, right, is because I want to explore these deep and fundamental software engineering topics with my guests. And since I'm based in Estonia, I've been working here for 10 years. I've acquired a very good network of people and talented engineers who I know are very knowledgeable in certain topics. So I'll give an example. Wise is very famous for its product engineering culture, and I will talk to some of my ex-Wiser friends who are very good and strong product engineers, and I'll explore this topic with them. I have a very good friend who is a security engineer, so we could also touch on topics for security. And yeah, I will explore different topics with my guests. I will try to stay neutral, and the podcast is planned to be live streamed. And the reason why I want to live stream the podcast is to keep the conversation real, honest, knowing that there will be no edits. And I think this will be much more interesting and engaging also for the audience, because you will know that the podcast is not polished and edited. I think it creates a good level of realism to the conversation, and also for myself as a host. So I know I won't have a second run, or I will not be able to make edits. Yeah, I'm running Substack. For now, it's called mapforengineers.substack.com, but I'm planning to migrate soon to my domain, mapforengineers.com. So feel free to check that out as well. I am also blogging, and I'm planning to write many articles about, again, fundamentals in software engineering, everything I learned in my career. So feel free to check that out. And see you in the next episode, where I'll actually have a first guest. For now, I'm not announcing it yet because I have to agree on the date, final date with the guest, but I have a lineup of people who I want to interview, and you'll definitely know about it. For now, enjoy your morning, day, or evening, wherever you are, and see you again. Thanks, guys. Bye.